Still a little breezy across the valley. The wind speeds right back up there about where they've been the last couple days. The wind speeds about 20 to 25 miles per hour, factoring some gusts there around 30 to 35 miles per hour. Also coming from the southeast and will likely be that way tomorrow, but still bringing up warm and humid conditions. It's actually cooled back a little bit now into the lower valley. 80s all across Cameron and Wilsey County, still in the 90s across Hidalgo and Starr counties, where it was over 100 in Starr County earlier, but dropping back to 97. Air quality's been pretty good. The smoke levels have been a little lower than they were about 7 or 10 days ago. We're kind of on the scale here. We're kind of right at the bottom end of moderate going almost to good. So these moderate categories are just a few points away from being good. So light amounts of some smoke in the air, but no increased activity coming our way anytime soon. It looks like we may be on that borderline for a while. So things kind of winding down the air quality category. But with the evening planner here, notice it's still kind of breezy all through the evening. I think we're looking for not a big drop in winds overnight. It could stay kind of breezy like it is now. Mostly sunny skies, maybe a few clouds later tonight, but temperatures in the evening fall through the 80s and into the 70s later tonight. You may see some high clouds come into Starr County and parts of the upper valley from a few dying showers and wheat storms over in Mexico, but these are too far away and not able to get coming our way anytime soon. Now, tomorrow is a day when you notice a day planner. This is starting in Starr County, Roma, Rio Grande City, San Ysidro, the other cities. Should be a fairly sunny day, maybe a few patches of clouds in the morning, but notice by 5 p.m. averaging upper 90s in Starr County tomorrow. As you get toward Hidalgo and most of central and western Cameron and Wilsey counties, about I-69E westward through Hidalgo County, generally the same type of pattern with sunshine in the afternoon, temperatures in the 90s. The lower valley right along the coast, if you're within a couple miles of the coast, most of the day is going to be in the 80s, a breeze still coming off the waters and still some sunshine. Future track does show breezy conditions tonight, a few patches of clouds, but a fairly quiet night. Otherwise, no rain around anywhere nearby. And then tomorrow it stays kind of breezy or somewhat windy again. Wouldn't be surprised to see gusts of wind up around 30 to 35 miles per hour during the daytime, especially in the afternoon hours. And kind of the same thing on Wednesday. I think still a little bit on the windy side and a few more clouds in the morning, but still mostly sunny later in the afternoon and a little bit windy at times. By Thursday, I think the winds will decrease more and turn a little more toward the east. That may cloud up things a bit more in the morning. You notice Future Track even tries to show maybe 1 or 2 little isolated showers. So there's a very, very small chance late in the week of a shower, but it's not much. At the coast tomorrow, rip current risk, as we showed you earlier before the break, still moderate. Water temperatures close to 80 degrees, a high tide just before noon, a low tide in the evening just before sunset, and maybe a little bit choppy there if you're on the waters tomorrow. And your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast tonight, mainly clear early this evening, then there could be some clouds late at night, lows in the upper 70s, but notice the winds won't be dropping off a lot tonight. And then tomorrow, still a bit on the windy side, gusts to around 35 miles per hour, highs near 95 degrees. And your first 1-5 7-day forecast, we stay not too far from 94 or 95 in most areas, but each day that really ranges from about 86 to 88 near South Padre Island to about 98 to 100 in most of western Starr County for highs. Windiest days, though, through tomorrow and Wednesday, where gusts could still be around 30 miles per hour, slightly higher at times. I think after that, though, there will be less wind, not like dead calm, but, you know, maybe winds not gusting more than 20 to 25 miles per hour in most areas in the afternoon for Thursday through the weekend. So it may actually make it feel a little hotter. There is a super small chance there could be a shower or two. You saw Future Track show on Thursday, but maybe Friday or even Saturday, but we're talking 10% or less. But we'll track that more in detail coming up next half hour, so stay tuned. We'll have more in your first 1-5 forecast. Dina?